As shown in the video, twist one turn counterclockwise and push the buckle outward. Take out the host computer and all accessories. Take out the tool bag and prepare to install. Install the screen first. First, connect the cables of the host and screen. Align the screw holes and install the screen. Tighten the screws and fix the screen. Remove the pre-installed screw on the right to install the laser board bracket. Align the holes to install. Remove the pre-installed screw on the left. Install Cavitation Handle, RF and suction, and 80K bracket. Next, we install the hanging wire bracket. Remove the pre-installed screws from the bracket and install the wire hanger bracket. Install filter. Next, install the Cavitation handle. Before installation, hang the handle and wire on the corresponding bracket. The same operation is done when installing other handles. Connect the socket and tighten the fixing screws. Install RF and suction. Install 80K handle. Connect the socket and tighten it clockwise. Install laser board. Connect the socket and tighten it clockwise. After all accessories are installed, install the power cord and turn on the power button. First, we need to turn off the switch and unplug the power. Disassemble the laser pad cable. Remove the RF and suction cable, 80K cable and Cavi cable. Disassemble the filter. Remove all handles and laser plates. Remove the bracket of the laser board and replace the pre-installed screws. Remove the handle bracket and reinstall the pre-installed screws. Remove the wire hanging bracket and replace the pre-installed screws. Unscrew the screen fixing screws and remove the screen. Put all components in the road case. It should be noted here that the wheels of the main unit cannot be placed vertically, but must be placed sideways. Then put the accessories back into the corresponding grooves. Fasten the latch and make a clockwise rotation of the flap to secure the road case.